Many people think Hong Kong visa is complicated. I also thought the same before my trip. But the truth is, you don't need a traditional visa and you don't need any agent. In this video, I will show you exactly what I did step by step in very simple words. And for Macau, Indians don't need a visa at all. That also I will explain in this video. Hi, my name is Hasan. I recently traveled to Hong Kong and Macau. In this video, I will explain the Hong Kong entry process for Indian passport holders based on my real experience. This video is for people who want clear information without any confusion. First, let me clear one common confusion. For Indians, Hong Kong does not require a traditional visa for short visits. Instead, we must complete something called pre-arrival registration, also known as PAR. This is online form, it is free and no agent is required. If you stay up to 14 days in Hong Kong, this PAR is enough. You just have to search this PAR Hong Kong and now click on the first link. Okay, now either you can go with this, you can just read and it will say that after 14 days or something. Okay, and just click on apply now. So once you click on this, it will load and it will open this page, and you can just click start and continue and confirm and continue. Okay, so once you open this, so this page will open, and now okay, here you have to keep your passport with you, and since like how they have mentioned here, like surname and given name, everything should be there with you. And since I have already filled this form before, so it will populate my names. Okay, like for example, if I click here, it will say my name, means my surname and my given name and everything. Again, this will be as per the passport, and even one spelling mistake also should not happen. Why? Because even one spelling mistake has happened also, even in India only, they will not allow you to board the flight. Okay, in immigration only they will stop, and if time is there, then they will tell you to fill the form again. If time is not there, then they will not even allow you. Okay, now is there any last? No, in my case no. And have you ever been known by any other names? No. Okay, so male, mine is married, and just have to give my date of birth here, 6 July 31st, as per the passport you have to give. And here also you have to give the place of birth. If it is there in this list, then well and good, you can just select that. Okay, so if it is not there, then you have to go to others. But okay, just have to go to others. In my case, it's like Bagalkot. Bagalkot is not there here, and that's why I'm just going to end, and here I just select others. Here I have entered Bagalkot, Karnataka, and this should be as per the passport only. You have to enter. And so one more thing, like sometimes what will happen, so in this list there will be some names. For example, let us say Hubballi, Karnataka. But in some people passports, it's like Hubli, Hubli, Hubli only. So if you select Hubballi, but in your passport it's Hubli, Hubli only, then again it will be a mismatch. Again, you will be stopped in the immigration only. So they will not allow you to board in India only. Okay, so in Hong Kong, again they will not allow, but in India only they will stop at the immigration. Okay, make sure you have to fill the form properly. And okay, in this case you just have to, if the spelling is not matching, you just have to click others, and you have to enter the proper spelling as per your passport place of birth. And sorry, okay, is your registration address is India? Yes. Okay, and this address also as per the passport, whatever is there, you have to fill that here. Okay, so there will be some errors will thrown here, which I will show you in the end. In my case it's like others, and I just have to choose party code. Okay, country code is 91, and so here if I enter, it will automatically show my number. So I'll just, what I will do, I'll just give some dummy name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, and then I just paste here. Okay, so here I'm just giving dummy name, dummy number, because if whenever I click here, it will show my number. So here again, passport, I'm just selecting my passport number, passport details, issued in India again. So mine is Bangalore, Karnataka as per the passport. Here Bangalore is there, Bangalore, Karnataka is there, Bangalore is there, Bangalore, Karnataka is there. There are 4 Bangalore, but as per my passport, this is matching. So I'm just selecting this. Okay, to make sure you are checking this very clearly. Just have to give date of issue. In my case, it is this date. Okay, so 10 years. And then any previous travels to HKSAR? No. In my case, it is no. If you are traveled, then you just have to click on yes, and you have to fill the details. But in my case, it is no. I'm just choosing no here. And any previous visits to foreign countries or regions within past 3 years. If you traveled any other countries, okay, then you just have to click yes, and you just have to fill these details. Okay, just have to choose the name and month and year. If in my case it is no, because I traveled to Dubai, which is more than 3 years back, so that's why I just selected no. And then you have to select your employment details here. In my case, it is information technology, and I have to give my name, my company name, and its address. Okay, so everything will be filled here, and I just have to choose Bangalore, Karnataka, same as this one, and country code is 91, and area code is optional, and you just have to give your company phone number. Okay, purpose of visit, you just have to select this ratio. If for example, if it's a business thing, you have to choose business visit, else family visit or transit. In my case, it's like leisure visit. Just selecting this. Then proposed duration of stay. In my case, it is 8 days, and I'm just selecting here. So once you click on duration, here automatically one input will pop up. You have to click here, and you have to fill the details like where are you staying in Hong Kong. That details you have to enter here. I'm just selecting English, and my floor was 22, and it was a room, and here my was like Sun Hing building. Okay, so mine was this one. Okay, so I have to selecting this one because like mine is Sun Hing building. And make sure you are entering proper details only here, because they will also check your bookings. For example, if you are done Airbnb or any Agoda or something, they will check that also. Okay, so then your dollars. Okay, you have to choose how much dollar. Okay, so since it's like including cost and all, just selecting 15,000 to 19,000 in my case. Okay, next, local connection is if yes, you just have to fill the details. If no, in my case it is no, I'm just going with the no. Then these all are it's no only in my case. Okay, then once you fill these details, it will ask some questions like what is your movie favorite movie star, and I just choose here movie star because I can just easily answer Shah Rukh Khan. They may not ask these anywhere, but worst case if they ask, you just have to be ready with this. And once you this one RH. So now whenever I click on confirm, there will be some errors which I purposely leave that left that because I wanted to show like how the errors will be and how you can solve that. And so once you click on comma is not allowed, comma is not allowed. So once you fill all these details, just have to fill the and press now and why. Once you click on confirm and continue. Okay, so you can see your details here. You can review that properly. Make sure your details are correct. Then you just have to choose, like, I am the resident, like, since in my case, like, I am the one who filling this forms, I'm just choosing this. Confirm, I understand. Okay, so in other case, like supposing that if you are filling with your wife or your friend's details, then you have to choose this and you just have to mention your details here. Okay, then just have to fill this, click on here. Okay, if you click here. Okay, then once you this one, you just have to confirm and submit. Okay, confirm and submit. You will see this form. Okay, that confirmation form you will see. So this is how it will look, and only this is what you have to carry externally. You have to make ginger racks and you have to carry this everywhere. 2 to 4 weeks before your travel date, make sure your passport has at least 6 months validity. Always double check your passport number and personal details. So to summarize, for Hong Kong, no traditional visa is required, and for Macau, no visa is required for Indians up to 30 days. Everything can be done online and free without any agent. I hope this video helps you plan your trip confidently. You can find PAR registration link in my description. Thanks for watching and happy traveling.